Good evening. You're watching Such the Reality with me, Nana Sareen. As usual, we bring you the truth straight from the ground. Let's have a look at the top 10 stories making headlines today. Assam's upcoming budget session will begin in Kokrajhar on February 17th, marking a first for the state. Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya will deliver the inaugural address, which will cover key financial discussions and legislative activities. Vidisha Hatimoria, an Assamese singer from Duliajan, has achieved remarkable success in the popular GTV music reality show Saregamapa 2024, securing the third runner-up position. Her exceptional performances throughout the competition earned her a spot among the top contenders. Residents of Madhapur Bajali staged protest against Nabin Chaudhary, headmaster of Madhapur Primary School, accusing him of assaulting students and misusing midday meal supplies. Chaudhary admitted to hitting students during a search for a stolen watch, sparking outrage. Protesters demanded his dismissal, while many students stayed home fearing harm. The school management defended disciplinary actions but emphasized academic improvement as a priority. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has emphasized the government's commitment to curbing cross-border infiltration following revelations that Shariful Islam, the attacker of actor Saif Ali Khan, entered India through Dauki. Acknowledging the challenges posed by border vulnerabilities, Chief Minister Sangma stated that while measures are being strengthened, completely eradicating infiltration remains difficult. In a gruesome case from Rangareddy district's Venkateshwara colony, Telangana, police arrested Gurumurthy, a retired army employee, for allegedly killing his wife, Madhavi, and reportedly boiling body parts in a cooker while disposing of others in a lake. The incident came to light after Madhavi's mother filed a missing complaint on January 17th. Investigations revealed the couple had a heated argument before the crime occurred. Mirpet police have registered a case and are probing the details further. Indian chess prodigy Di Kuke secured a hard-fought victory against Vicent Kemar in an intense 72-move game. This win not only showcased his resilience and skill, but also catapulted him to the top of India's live chess rankings, surpassing Arjun Ergassi to claim the #1 spot. The Ministry of Consumer Affairs has issued notices to Ola and Uber after reports claim they charge different fares for the same rides based on the types of smartphones, Android or iOS. The Central Consumer Protection Authority has sought an explanation of their pricing methods, citing concerns of potential discrimination. This action follows social media posts by users highlighting fare discrepancies. The government has called for transparency and fairness, ensuring that pricing practices are not discriminatory. A devastating wildfire erupted near Los Angeles on Wednesday morning, prompting the evacuation of more than 50,000 people. Fueled by dry conditions and strong winds, the blaze has rapidly consumed nearly 8,000 acres of land. Firefighters are battling to contain the inferno, while local authorities have asked residents to prioritize safety and follow evacuation orders. Badal village, Rajouri, has been declared a containment zone after an unidentified illness caused 17 deaths. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh confirmed that initial investigations by CSIR labs ruled out infectious pathogens, pointing instead to unidentified toxins as the cause. Authorities sealed the local water source after samples tested positive for pesticides and insecticides. An 11-member interministerial team is investigating, and over 200 food samples have been sent for analysis. On Wednesday, US President Donald Trump warned that new tariffs would be imposed on Russia if the country fails to negotiate a deal to end its ongoing war in Ukraine. Trump also indicated that the sanctions could extend to other participating countries involved in the conflict. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.